How to disable auto-translating your videos on YouTube. Let's see how to do it. First, open YouTube Studio. On the left side of the screen, click on Settings. A pop-up window will appear. From there, select the Channel tab. Next, click the Advanced Settings tab on the right side of the pop-up window. Now look for the Auto Dubbing section. If this feature is turned on, simply uncheck the Auto Dubbing option to disable it. And that's it. Once auto dubbing is turned off, YouTube will no longer create translated audio versions of your videos for viewers in other languages. For example, if your video is in English, someone watching from Spain will hear the original English audio instead of an automatically dubbed Spanish version. This can be useful if you want all viewers to hear your original voice and content exactly as you created it. And that's how you can disable auto-translating or auto-dubbing for your YouTube videos. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.